In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and center your title in Google Docs effortlessly. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or simply want your document to have a clean, polished look, centering your title can make a big difference. It's a simple skill, but one that significantly enhances the appearance and readability of your written work. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Docs document. If you're not there already, go ahead and locate the document you want to style up with a centered title. Open it by double-clicking the file name from Google Drive or by navigating to the Google Docs homepage and selecting your file from there. Having it open and ready will make sure you can follow along without missing a beat. Now, let's focus on what will become the focal point of your document, the title. At the very top of your document, you'll want to type in the title text you have in mind. This could be something straightforward, like my document title, or any other text that best describes what your document is about. Remember, make sure the title is clear and concise to convey your message effectively. With your title typed out, the next thing you should do is highlight the text. There are a couple of ways you can do this. The easiest one is to click and drag your mouse over the entire line of your title text. Alternatively, for a quicker method, you can triple click on the line of text. This action highlights the whole line in one go, so the text is ready for the next step. Highlighting ensures that only your title will be affected by the formatting changes you're about to make. Once you have your title selected, it's time to align it perfectly at the center of the page. For this, you'll want to direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs interface. On the toolbar, look for the Center Align button. It's the one that shows lines centered. Clicking this button will instantly move your highlighted text to the center of the page, giving it that professional alignment. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus E on Windows or Command plus Shift plus E on a Mac. These shortcuts quickly achieve the same result, and there you have it, a well-centered title that adds a touch of professionalism and clarity to your document. Being able to do this not only cleans up the appearance of your document, but also sets the stage for the content that follows. Remember these steps for the next time you craft a document, and you'll be on your way to creating polished, professional, and eye-catching documents with ease.